we're breaking out, but I'm not leaving without you. This could be our one chance. We'll send a postcard when we're through. We'll get there together, we'll get there together. I'll meet you at the starting line. Don't you ever leave my side. We'll get there together, we'll get there together. If it takes all day or night, hand in hand we'll both arrive. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. You wanna see the sun?
Good morning, day 1 in Michigan.
Day 2.
Well, technically day 2, but this is our first full day in Michigan. And the girls are ready to jump in despite it raining last night and the water's probably cold. But we're seeing some cute little fishies and we're taking some good pictures. So the girls are excited to explore.
Look at that.
Uh-huh. So,
Look
good
at the
morning.
lily pad.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
The board's kind of rickety, but, you know, we just gotta be careful.
Why not you sitting? Are you gonna sit there?
Probably.
Yeah. Grandma can sit there. Just move the stuff. Yeah, it's sprinkling. Oh well,
Yeah.
if it gets rain, I'm not sure. So you and Dad can have the dark blue to match his pants.
Okay.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. That's how they say. Names are great. What?
Y'all being big.
Rise, starry nights and endless seas. We're writing our own story. Let's go and make this what it's meant to be. Let's scream it out. Let's go and make this what it's meant to be. We'll get there together, we'll get there together. I'll meet you at the starting line. Don't you ever leave my side. We'll get there together, we'll get there together. If it takes all day or night, hand in hand we'll both arrive. Do you feel your heartbeat? Do you feel the warmth beneath your feet? 'Cause you're standing next to me. Do you feel your heartbeat? Do you feel the warmth beneath your feet? 'Cause you're standing next to me. Yeah. 'Cause you're standing next to me. Oh, we'll get there together, we'll get there together. I'll meet you at the starting line. Don't you ever leave my side. We'll get there together, we'll get there together. If it takes all day or night, hand in hand we'll both arrive. Yeah, hand in hand we'll both arrive. Hand in hand we'll both arrive.
Oh, I didn't realize this is supposed to be where we are now.
Yeah, that's why we.
Starting now, we're breaking out, but I'm not leaving without you. This could be our one chance. We'll send a postcard when we're through. We'll get there together, we'll get there.
We're at the beach today. Just spending family time. I took some beautiful pictures. And the girls are loving the water.